Dang guys, last minute meet, and it's gonna be a really badass one. It's hosted by Women's Driven. It's a local woman car club that just started maybe about a few months ago. Look at that, guys. That club started with like a couple of girls, and then all of a sudden 3 car meets later you see a whole horde of them, and it's pretty crazy. I'm already here checking in with the homies. Got Hector, Sergio, got Martin, Luis, Barney, the whole squad's posted up right here. And just gonna go have some fun, man. Hopefully the cops don't come and kick us out, but looks like it's gonna be a pretty good one. What's up, man? Serge. How's it going? How's it going, man? Oh, shoot. Bringing out that cinematics today, huh?
Heck yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good one, man. It's been a long time, guys, since we had a meet like this. Obviously with COVID it doesn't help at all, but feels good, guys. We got a wide body 350Z over here. Got a Boss 302. All the trucks posting up. They're gonna, dude, this is what's gonna get us kicked out, dude. All the revving. Everybody stands out and bagged. Almost, guys, almost. Once the car's done, we're getting back, guys.
Not crusty.
Like this one? It's green, like this. There's no other car like this.
Who?
¿Tienes el Geo1 o no sé?
Ah, Gio.
El Geo,
Yeah. Mopar Go. That wrap's cool, yeah. Got that camo, a little different. That's pretty cool too. We got all the trujitas.
On the gas. Otro del Plus. Otro del Plus.
Dude, this bumper is like everywhere now, on every 5.0. Looks good though. I like that wrap.
I'm that kid, the topography dude. Oh, okay.
It's nice, man.
Thanks, brother.
It's only about an hour late, but he's here.
Right here.
Hey, you're here to pick up an order. Uh-oh. I don't know. Is he gonna pick us out, or you gonna leave us in here? We made awkward eye contact there. The cops just got here. I don't know if they're gonna kick us out. He just has the lights on. I think it's because some people are peeling out over there. There's some people flooring it over there. So I don't know if they're actually gonna kick us out. But it's a great turnout, man. Okay, I have no idea. This is a paint job. It's a wrap, plastidip. I have no idea what that guy has on. They're hosting it. Women Driven right there. Check them out on Instagram. They're hosting this whole thing, guys. Only women right there. That's pretty badass, man. They're making big moves, and look at this, guys. It's all them. A lot of people confuse me with this guy. Oh, this guy. He's like, look, your car. Oh, never mind, it's a 5.0. A lot of people confuse me, guys, with this guy, but dang, I don't even think my color pops out this much. This might be candy red. Mine's red candy. Mine's a bit darker, but man, these tail lights, guys, let me know, are these better than the 13, 14 ones? Because it's a pretty good debate right now. But it's looking pretty clean, and I was gonna suck even more because I just got 5-spoke wheels as well, so I'm gonna be twinning with this guy. We treated ourselves with some Cold Stone ice cream while we're here. I got a cookie dough for me and the wife, and Barney got cookie dough with strawberries, feeling fancy today. So we're gonna go ahead and enjoy some ice cream while we enjoy the rest of the show. Oh, Hellcat, all right. Nice, dude. What is that?
Huh? So you're a puppy.
Alright, so Art had to end up rolling his fenders because he got wider wheels, some big ass wheels, and when he was hammering it down, the wheel started rubbing with the fender, which like messed up all the bottom of it. It's like there's no more paint here, like it tore all of it up, and y'all can see right there, this is where it was rubbing with the fender. So every time he would hammer it, the car squats and it was eating all that tire up. So he had to put this little carbon fiber trim to cover up the damage, and he ended up rolling, I don't know if y'all can see that, he rolled the fender just a bit. It's right here. Y'all see that right there? He had to roll the fenders on both sides in order to prevent that from going off. Damn, man, freaking tires are wide. Anyways, guys, yeah, freaking tires are super wide. Just look at that fitment, man. I mean, he could probably go wide body. It should be pretty good. It's the fronts, it's the backs. What do y'all think of his new setup? I ended up picking the wheels off of his boss. He did have the 5-spoke, some niche wheels. I took those off, he bought these out. And I don't know, man, I haven't been able to see how the car really looks because the car's not painted yet, but hopefully it looks pretty good. Everybody was like flooring it while leaving the meet, but the cop's here now and nobody's doing it. Everybody was taking off. If it wasn't for the cop, I would have had some good footage for you guys, man. You have all the trucks leaving. All troquitos, guys. Alright, guys. We got backup now, so we got a cop here and over here.
Hey, burn out, burn out.
Look at exhaust. Dang. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. It was a great turnout with the homie Barney, man. And Woman Driven, again, check them out on Instagram, all ladies group. If you're a girl and you're watching these videos, go ahead and join them. They're always throwing all of these hangouts and meets and stuff like that. And like I said, they started off like a pack of like 3 or 4, and now You see them at meets and it's like about 20, 30 girls. So it's pretty badass. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. Like the video, hit the post notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless.